Small multiples are ideal when the same metric must be compared across multiple categories over the same time period using the same scale. When business users compare performance, they don't want to click and remember. They want to see the difference immediately. A common mistake is stacking everything into one visual or relying on slicers and memory. Both increase cognitive load. Small multiples solve this by repeating the same visual once per category, using the same scale. The most important rule: keep the axis consistent. Auto-scaling breaks comparison. Small multiples are not meant for dozens of categories. Limit them to what a user can scan comfortably. Order matters. Sorting by impact helps users see patterns faster. Add just enough context, a target line or benchmark, without turning each multiple into a mini dashboard. Small multiples are not ideal when metrics differ, scales vary, or when you need detailed interaction. Choose them deliberately. When comparison matters, small multiples reduce effort and increase confidence. Design comparisons so users can see, not remember. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here.